All right, let's take a quick look at exercise 6A-1. That's the appendix to chapter 6. So chapter 6 was on the weighted average method. The appendix is on FIFO. So in this question, we're given information related to a department, and we're asked to use the FIFO method to compute equivalent units of production for the period. So I just wanted to point this one out because basically these two steps here are the same under each method. It's this one that's different. So under FIFO, you take into account the beginning work in process. So there's 400 units in the beginning work in process, and how much work is left remaining on them. So rather than like with ending work in process here, you take 500 units and how much is completed during the month. For beginning work in process, it started off at the beginning of the month that there were 400 units, but of those 400 units, they were 75% complete with respect to materials already. So that was done in a prior period. So this period, in order to complete them, you only need to complete 25%, which is the 100 minus 75%. With conversion, they were 25% complete. So that was done in a prior period. So the remaining 75% was done in this period. So this is where the difference comes in. Then it's still the units started and completed during the period. So here, units started into production were 42,600, but of those that were started, 500 still remains in ending inventory. So 42,600 minus the 500. And ending work in process, 500 units, 80% complete with respect to materials. So 80% of that work was done this month. And with conversion, it was 30%. So 30% of the conversion work was done in this month. Whereas beginning work in process, when we say they're 75% complete and 25% complete, that work was done in a previous period, and in the current month, you only have to finish them off. So whatever is remaining gets done this month.